launched the 454b heat pumps and air conditioners, so you'll be seeing them in the field this summer. In this video, we're going to make some comments about brazing technique that we're seeing on the new R-454b product. As always, when doing brazing or any kind of work on an air conditioner or heat pump, safety is first. Please observe all the cautions and warnings in installation guides regarding the installation of these units. Follow all safety codes. Wear safety glasses and protective clothing and work gloves. Use a quenching cloth for brazing operations. We'll talk about that in a moment. Have a dry powder or CO2 fire extinguisher always available. Proper tools should be used that are designed for the refrigerant of the unit being installed. For 454b, non-sparking tools are required. A refrigerant detector should be used prior to and during the installation process to check for leaks. Brazing should only take place on refrigerant tubes that are open to the atmosphere or have been properly evacuated. When brazing these service valves, make sure you have the proper gas and flame to quickly make the braze joint and protect the valve with wet rags or heat paste. An alternative is to use non-brazing mechanical joints. Many dealers are using this method with huge success. According to the factory, the service valves used on R-454b product are the same that was used on R-410a product. For some reason, we are seeing a higher incident of overheated valves with the R-454b product. The factory has made the stub off the service valve longer to give dealers using mechanical couplers more room. This also gives those who braze more space to make the braze joint. The factory and the Ferguson Service Group recommends against using couplings due to overheating the service valve. This is because by using a coupling, you have two braze joints instead of just one. Instead of using a coupling to join the line set to the service valve, which gives you two joints to braze, swedge the service valve side, which will give you one joint to braze and more room for a wet rag or blocking paste to protect the service valve. This is what the job should look like when you're ready to braze in your line set. Swedge on the service valve side and a wet rag or some kind of protection on the service valve. It is very important that you use quality brazing material and a good flux. Silphos 15 has always been the recommended brazing alloy to use joining copper to copper. A wet rag is most commonly used to keep the service valve cool while brazing. There are also many products available to use to keep the components cool while brazing. There are also many different types of torch tips that will help you make a quick braze joint. Propane gas burns at 3,600 degrees Fahrenheit and with oxygen added can burn at 5,100 degrees Fahrenheit. MAP gas burns at 5,300 degrees Fahrenheit and oxyacetylene burns at 6,300 degrees Fahrenheit. Oxyacetylene torch kit has always been the best and preferred way of brazing copper tubing. Lower gas temperatures means longer time the heat is on the tubing and more possibility of damaging other components. Proper equipment, preparation, and technique equals a quick and easy braze, which will keep other components safe and provide a good braze and eliminate leaks and damage to other components.
Go to arefco.com for more videos, like, subscribe, and check back every week for new videos.